Welcome to an exhilarating week of passion, competition and empowerment. Sly Media TV is proud to be the official broadcast partner for the Hut Women's 16 Teams Soccer League tournament from the 18th of September. Join us as we celebrate the incredible talent and determination of women athletes from across the nation. This tournament isn't just about soccer, it's about showcasing strength, unity, and the spirit of the game. Get ready to cheer on your favorite teams as they battle it out on the field for glory. Every match promises to be filled with excitement, skill, and unforgettable moments. Don't miss a single kick, save, or goal. Replays and slow-mos. Tune in to Sly Media TV for live coverage, expert commentary, and exclusive interviews with players and coaches. Experience the thrill as we bring you closer to the action. Mark your calendars and gather your friends and family. Let's support these remarkable athletes as they strive for victory and inspire the next generation of female soccer stars. Sly Media TV, your home for the Hut Women's 16 Team Soccer League tournament. Let's make history together.
We are back for the awards ceremony because every good dog deserves a bone, and we see that all the teams that have managed to do well from the start up until this point are about to be given what they have so hardly worked for.
Exactly, every good dog deserves a good bone.
Yes,
And
indeed.
that's what is happening. It's the moment that we have been waiting for. Everything done and dusted now. We are here to see teams getting their accolades that are commensurate to how they performed during the 6-day tournament.
Yeah, indeed, with Hirencho's Queens taking the third position, and Black Mamba's Queens in second, and the champions Chapungu Queens, who are going to receive later their awards, as we now see in the tunnel that has been created for the champions and the winners. Hirencho's Queens going on forward to receive their medals. The bronze medal, a journey that hasn't been easy for them, winning almost every game as an escape. It wasn't easy from when they faced off Conduit Academy. They could have been booted out in the round of 16, but they persevered all the way.
They persevered, they fought, and they managed then to get to this level where they're now like the bronze medalists. It wasn't easy for them, like you're saying. It was an escape after escape after escape, but they could not escape the Air Ladies.
Indeed, they couldn't escape the Air Ladies, who went on to win the titles. We can see on that side on the corner of the screen maybe the trophy that Chapungu are so eagerly waiting to receive. The bronze medalists, as they are being handed over to the ladies. It is such an honor to have a medal being put down on your neck, and it's a gold medal. It goes down in the history books as Hirencho's Queens were the bronze medalists in the first ever the Heart Women's Soccer League tournament. In years to come, we will always refer to their performance in this particular tournament throughout as to how well they will fare later on. I know that lessons have been learnt and a bit more preparation is required if they want that gold medal, but for this time around they have to settle for third position and the bronze medal.
Yes, they have to settle for third position, but they did well. You see, maybe coming out of just after representing us in Malawi, they had really, I think, if you would ask me, I would then speak of probably some mental challenges in terms of their preparedness of the game. You know, after coming from a high podium, normally you have to work extra hard in terms of cleaning your mind to create that hunger. Complacence can easily creep in.
Yes, Banda Belinda, they're receiving the first medal for Black Mambas, the silver medalists of this tournament. such an auspicious occasion for Black members. I think this in itself is a big achievement in this whole tournament. They were not the major favorites, but they Mayweathered their way into this final. And the second position is something that they are going to carry on their shoulders so proudly. And going back to the Zimbabwe Republic Police, I'm sure there will be a parade in their honor, because they have done justice. Coach Nyoni there, getting closer to be handed over their medal. But just to salute them, I think in a very, police department style,
yes,
they would have to form a parade for these ladies.
Yeah,
they have done a wonderful job.
They did a wonderful job. As we see Majambe there, the think forward, the player that always thinks forward and plays forward, and she really illuminated in this tournament.
She really did.
Yeah,
but the journey wasn't as easy. They had just to settle for that silver medal, which is more than gold for them.
For them, yeah. This they really worked hard for this. Look, we need to give a pam to Black members. We have to applaud them, And you see, when you look at their team, they also have mature players, not very young players. And obviously, those players at some point now, some of them, as we see there, Coach Nyoni.
And the match officials of the day.
Yes.
Almost getting their medals as they prepare a tunnel for Chapungu Queens, the victors.
You know what I'm enjoying there. It's members players and the Rangers players that have formed that tunnel, and all what they are saying is they are saying we are come.
It's your time.
It's your time. They're celebrating with the winners. They're not jealous.
Indeed, it is their time to shine. The stars really did align for them, and they looked like a team that were born, bred, fed for this moment. Now we're seeing the match commissioner and the referees that were in charge of today's game being given their own medals before they hand over the gold medals to the champions, who are waiting anxiously off camera at the end or the start of the tunnel. Pretty impressive moment, and also the fans for Chapungu Queens haven't stopped celebrating. They filled that one bay, made sure that they always encourage their teammates or the team that they support to continue playing as hard as they can.
As we see there, the match officials, the match commissioner in front, referee thanks Tengwe, and the other ones are coming there. At the end there, we see the fourth official, Grace Gimo, receiving a medal.
Really time conscious. And the moment we have been waiting for.
Look at that. Look at, when your opponents are so excited about you,
winning at something, and there's Ngubeno Munkosi, the first in the tunnel as she comes out. The free kick maestro, always be weary every time she gets behind the ball. Anywhere close to your goal area, Chapungu Queens have made it, started their campaign on the 18th, and until now they survived all the obstacles that were placed in their way. Black Rhinos came through, fell at their hands. Irencho's Queens came through, fell at their hands. Faith Drive in their first game came through and fell at their hand, and there is the top goal scorer Ethel Chinyerere receiving a medal. A player that has illuminated, shined throughout the tournament. Exciting performances coming through from Chapungu Queens, and the beauty of it all is that it has been a team with so many stars. You can't really point one person, but there were so many stars that came through, that shined through, and that made sure that the dream for Chapungu kept on soaring high in the sky.
Yeah, Chapungu, look, They've worked very hard, played as a team, although you can mention stars, but the teamwork was amazing. You know, just behind there I'm seeing bottles of water. It's getting a bit cold, but their colleagues, their opponents are celebrating with bottles of water that are being poured onto Chapungu players there.
Yeah, what a celebration. I think with adrenaline, sometimes you don't feel the pain until the levels lower down. But for Chapungu Queens, a team that has worked so hard to be where they are today, undoubtedly no one can dispute the fact as to why they are the captain. They are the champions of this tournament, and there is the captain, Sitetelelwe Sibanda, coach. Oh, come on, she has worked so hard, so tirelessly with the team, but all the same, throughout the game, she has been so calm. I think because she had done the homework before coming into the exam room.
The team is prepared in training, and that's what she did. She had studied, and then in the exam room, she was just writing, you know.
All you have to do is to write, and there is the trophy, and the first name to be engraved on that trophy belongs to, as the first team. Oh, there's the trophy, and we await the captain, Natasha Ndoa, as she comes through, maybe to receive the trophy on behalf of the team in front of highly esteemed delegates. The first person to hold the trophy says it all. The man behind the vision and the dream of the Heart Women's Soccer League, and the mantra has been follow the heart, and we have been moving with our hearts. The emotions were great, fair play was on point. I mean, it is a very great moment, and Natasha Ndoa comes through to receive the trophy as the teammates sing to celebrate off camera. The medal is being fixed in place. There is Natasha Ndoa, proud Zimbabwean, in an interview, so proud to speak in her vernacular. There she is holding the trophy, the winner of the Heart Women's Soccer League, the first league and the first tournament in 2024, and she is privileged to hold the trophy. The teams come through, the fireworks, it speaks of the atmosphere. All you want to do is just lay a hand on that trophy, and the Chapungu have done it. They are taking it home along with the 10,000 United States dollars prize. Chapungu Queens have done it. They have made it to the end. There they are, lifting a trophy that somehow maybe many might feel would be lifting them, but it is the ladies that are lifting the trophy. Now setting up for a very good picture. I see very happy smiles, some of them biting that gold medal. Is it real? Is it me holding it? And it is, seems like everyone is doing it. So important, a golden smile with a golden trophy. Chapungu Queens are the winners of the inaugural Heart Women's Soccer League Tournament 2024. And there is maybe the goalkeepers, coach. Come on, the joy is contagious. Mhlanga on the near side, who scored the last goal that made sure Chapungu Queens had 4 goals in the good against Black Mambas. Celebrations, I know they are going to continue, and I am one. I would love to celebrate with them as well.
Sure, who wouldn't want to celebrate? And the sponsor is there. And that song goes on again.
Indeed, they would love to sing this one. Magaya. The ladies are happy, their stage was set, and they managed to perform, outdo themselves. And here they are today, wearing the gold medals and holding the trophy.
Proud moment for Chapungu. They worked hard for it. They were organized, they planned well for it. They were prepared for it.
Indeed, prepared for it. Prophet Walter Magaya with a smile, knowing that Vasakura Vakazunta, the land is clear for women and football to take the center stage, to shine and shine indeed. Coach Sibanda telling off a technical team not to lift her, but they are so happy to have a coach of her stature and sorting things out. There is Chapungu Queen still in celebration mode. Who can blame them? They have done it. They have seen to the end of things. The crowns they have polished since day one. From the 18th, now it is the 22nd of September, and their crowns are shining, and they will continue shining. We'll get back to the Hard Women's Soccer League, but as for the tournament for this year, that's it. See you next year.
Welcome to an exhilarating week of passion, competition and empowerment. Sly Media TV is proud to be the official broadcast partner for the Hot Women's 16 Teams Soccer League tournament from the 18th of September. Join us as we celebrate the incredible talent and determination of women athletes from across the nation. This tournament isn't just about soccer, it's about showcasing strength, unity, and the spirit of the game. Get ready to cheer on your favorite teams as they battle it out on the field for glory. Every match promises to be filled with excitement, skill, and unforgettable moments. Don't miss a single kick, save, or goal. Replays and slow-mos. Tune in to Sly Media TV for live coverage, expert commentary, and exclusive interviews with players and coaches. Experience the thrill as we bring you closer to the action. Mark your calendars and gather your friends and family. Let's support these remarkable athletes as they strive for victory and inspire the next generation of female soccer stars. Sly Media TV, your home for the Hot Women's 16 Team Soccer League tournament. Let's make history together.